Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to show device specification on HP laptop Windows 10. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to start menu on the lower left side on your screen. Okay, click this. And after that, go to settings. Click settings. In settings, go to system. Okay, click system. Here in system and left side corner, you can see the menu. Okay, scroll down and go to about. Okay, click about. Here in about, you can see the device specifications. Okay, you can see the information of your device or HP laptop Windows 10. Okay, you can see the device name, processor, install RAM, device ID, product ID, system type, and pin and touch. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully show device specifications on HP laptop Windows 10. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.